Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel egg. First, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of light corn syrup in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Stir gently to moisten all the sugar. Place the pan over medium heat and avoid stirring once it begins to boil. This initial step is crucial for achieving a smooth, crystal-free caramel base for your delicious egg dessert. Continue cooking the sugar mixture over medium heat. Do not stir the mixture once it starts boiling, as this can cause crystallization. Instead, gently swirl the pan occasionally to ensure even cooking. Observe the color closely. It will transition from clear to a light straw, then to a beautiful amber. Remove the pan from the heat as soon as it reaches a deep golden brown, before it gets too dark and bitter. Once your caramel reaches the perfect color, immediately and carefully pour it into your heat-proof molds or ramekins. Work quickly, as caramel hardens fast. Tilt each mold to coat the bottom and sides with a thin, even layer of caramel. Let these caramel shells cool completely at room temperature until they are firm and brittle. This creates the outer shell for your delightful caramel egg dessert. After your caramel shells have fully set, it's time for the fun part, filling them. You can use a variety of delicious fillings, such as a smooth vanilla custard, a light chocolate mousse, or even a rich coffee ganache. Gently spoon your chosen filling into each caramel shell. For more great kitchen tips and other deals, check the description below. And don't forget to explore the link for fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers. Chill your caramel eggs before serving for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.